that all G20 delegations will be visiting Visakhapatnam in our Andhra Pradesh. And awareness program about what is this G20 and how India is going global in all respects, the development of India, the rich heritage and culture of India will be displayed, will be shown to the all delegates coming from powerful G20 nations. Simultaneously, I congratulate our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for becoming successful in declaring International Millets Year 2023 by UN. And it is very much relevant for Rayalaseema region. What Modi ji has done by declaring International Millet Year is going to benefit Rayalaseema because millets are produced where there is very less water. And we all know that there is a great problem of water in Rayalaseema. Almost all chief ministers of Andhra Pradesh belong to Rayalaseema. Present chief minister also is from Rayalaseema. Past chief minister also was from Rayalaseema. But all chief ministers, those who came from Rayalaseema, have become Vennu Pottu Gadu, Vennu Pottu Daradu for Rayalaseema. They have ditched Rayalaseema people. The problem of water is not solved. And in that case, the millet production in Rayalaseema is very good. And our Rama Subba Reddy Garu from Nandyal, he is an IT man. He left his job and came back to Nandyala district, his hometown, and then he started producing millets. And he has shown the world that how millet production can be financially viable, not only viable, it is profitable. And Honorable Narendra Modi ji in his last Mann Ki Baat 2 days back, he mentioned about Rama Subba Reddy Garu's work. What is going to happen because of International Millet Years? The cost of millet will increase. The production of millet will increase. The focus of people will go on millets, which is going to benefit Rayalaseema region in turn. And today morning I have tested the Rayalaseema food, Jonna Rotte and Gutti Vankaya. It is very tasty, and I am fond of Rayalaseema food, overall Andhra food. But this Jonna Rotte, Jonna is millets, जिसे हिंदी में मोटा अनाज कहते हैं. Barring wheat and rice, all the anaj which is food grains which are produced are millets. Finally, coming to Andhra Pradesh is facing a grave situation because of the Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy, and his total policies are paralyzed, failed on all fronts of economy of the state. Factories have already, businesses, industries, they have already run out of Andhra Pradesh. No one is ready to come. Because of this, Andhra Pradesh is not getting any income. Whatever taxpayers are paying money, that only Andhra Pradesh is getting. I am answering your question. Pawan Kalyan Garu was with us, he is with us, he will be with us. And any more questions, then you can go and ask him directly. Dhanyawad. Namaskar.